There it is, folks. Yes, look at the guy. Yes, there it is, folks. There it is. Guys, you know, if you guys are looking for some very unique, original, custom design tees, anything from your fishing, funny, patriotic, and Christian-based tees, all designed by me or my wife, t-shirts like this, come check out at www.lumenpath.net. And thank you very much for all your support, guys. We appreciate it. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Blaze and Bait. We're out here at the little pond by my house. Yeah, I'm hoping to catch me a bass today. I did catch one last week. Of course it didn't count since my phone died, and unfortunately I didn't get it recorded. So, hoping to catch a bass, see what we can do. Talk to you later. Yep. Since the water is still cold, I'm going to do more of a finesse fishing. What I have here is a 16th ounce jig head and a small slip bobber. I'll try it out with a live bait first, and hopefully we can catch something. Just picked up a dozen minnows. So I'll give the minnows a try here. I figure since the water temperature is probably still in the 40s, I'm not going to try anything that like your reaction bait yet. And for this guy, I'm just going to nose hook him right underneath his jaw like this. There we go. Let's give this a try. Yep, that's the one thing I've learned, especially when the weather is cold, or when the weather is still cold, the water temperature is still in the 40s. You don't want to work it too much. You just want to work it real slow. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it even deeper. Since the water is still pretty cold, they're not going to be in the shallow end. And that's the nice thing about having a slip bobber. I can adjust the depth. And so far I made it for about 5 feet deep. There we go, there we go, there we go, folks. Yes! Woo! Woo-hoo! There it is, folks! Yes, look at the guy. Yes, there it is, folks. There it is. Yeah. Look at the size of this guy. Woo! That is a beaut. Holy crap. That is a nice size bass. Look at this guy, folks. I say it's probably about 3 pounds at least. 3 or 4 pounds at least. Look at that, folks. There it is, folks. Yes, look at that puppy. It's at least about 3 or 4 pound bass. Second one of the year. Okay, let's let this guy go here. Very, very nice. One of my biggest ones that I ever caught in this pond here. You know, I think I'm going to try me out something new. I just picked this up earlier. This is the 2.5 inch Berkley Powerbait. I had some luck with it last year using the 3 inches. Try it out with a 2.5 inch here. Little 2.5 inch Berkley Powerbait Minnow. So far, out of all the lures, I found that this is the only one. This and gulp minnows are the only ones that I had a lot of luck with. So we'll try it with a slightly smaller one than what I'm usually used to. There we go. Give it a shot with the power bait. Oh, look, I see it laying down. Ooh, I saw it pulled under. Whoa. Wow, this power bait's working. One thing for sure, when you're fishing with a gulp minnow or a power bait, you want to give it just a little bit of action. You don't want to just let it sit still. Yes! There it is, folks. Woo! There it is. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yes. Look at that puppy. A little bit smaller. Caught it on the power bait. There it is, folks. Look at that. Yeah, that is a beaut. Look at that, folks. Caught it on a 2.5 inch power bait. There it is, folks. It's a little bit smaller than my first one, but it's still a good size. It's about 2 pounds. Caught it on the 2.5 inch power bait. Not too bad, folks. Not too shabby. That is what I call a good day. You know, one thing for sure, folks, if you're just starting out or just coming back and fishing like I am, give the Powerbait minnows or gulp minnows a try. Because so far, I haven't had much luck in using other types of lures, but I've been doing very well with the Powerbait.
Take a bite.
There it is. You got yourself your PB for the year. Anyway, folks, we've been out here for about half an hour. I got a bite on the worm. I got a bite on the minnow. Didn't catch anything. So I'll be heading out. If you guys like this video, please give me a like. And leave your comments down below, folks. Consider subscribing for some more fishing, knife, and kit videos. Anyway, you guys take care. Talk to you later.